Nitro, we got some primate thug terracing around the city.
Shit, cops doing anything about it?
They're trying. Why don't you show them how it's done?
Yo, Wrench.
Yo, M.
Damn, man, I hope you kept the receipts.
Hey, yo. Check out this fuckstick.
So tell us about HAUM 2.0.
HAUM systems are completely bulletproof. Your privacy is absolutely secure.
Bold claims, Steven. Aren't you worried hacker groups will see that as a challenge?
Well, say what you mean, Shirley. DEDSEC. Now, if they want to go up against us, I invite them to try. HAUM 2.0 is an OS with teeth.
Yo, he called us out by name?
Yep.
He don't know who he fucking with. It's on now.
And that's why I've been trying to crack 2.0. There's just one little problem.
What?
Here, hold this. Stand back. Great. Chip! It's a little, hard to get out. Look, there's no point in trying to use the previous version's hardware to jack the new OS. Why? Because they changed the ports. Following the capital's guide to forced obsolescence. But luckily, a little birdie told me that 2.0 should be packing a farm-fresh 0-day.
Ooh, now that might just be a shame.
Damn right. And that is why you, my friend, are going to hijack me a 2.0 pre-order shipment before some do-gooder white hat tells HAUM how to cock-block us.
You've got a weird relationship with technology. You know that, right?
He didn't mean it.
Okay, I'm at HAUM's distribution center.
Great. Okay, so take a look around for a computer, one of those old crap box ones. Now, HAUM stores their schedules based on number plate destination combinations, like some kind of barely literate moron. If that moron was, a company.
Good to know. I'll see what I can find.
Marcus, our followers network is becoming a steamroller.
You should be proud. You started all of this. DEDSEC was a bunch of loose ideas before, but you've turned it into a movement. People are wearing your art, repeating your slogans. You've tuned into something here.
Thank you, Marcus. Just don't forget, there's purpose behind this. I'm not in it for the candy coating. I want people to wake the fuck up.
Yeah, they've been sleeping a long time, but they'll get there. Where are you?
Got it. I got the list.
Okay, great. So now all you have to do is stroll over to the distribution center and match the number plate of one of their trucks to the one that's headed downtown.
Man, this is so analog.
I told you. Luddites.
I found the truck.
Great! And what are you waiting for? Smash and grab, my friend.
Yours mío.
Hey, awesome.
Yeah, I'll hold. Again. Oh, hi.
Oh my God.
Can you help me? Yeah. I've been on this call for 20 minutes and I wanted to see how doing that 2.0. No. I already went through purchasing. I want to place a pre-order, not be put on the waiting. I work for the company, okay?
Hey,
I'm
awesome.
right at a 2.0 shipment, so I know they're already available.
Target near your location. Over.
Require additional hands.
I got the shipment and I'm inbound.
I'll ready the welcoming committee.
Commencing sweep.
shit, Brad.
Holy. And everything else too. I heck all the way up there.
Trash. 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 Ooh, wait a minute.
Hey, tell me I got something good.
Nope. Trash. Trash. Oh, ho, oh. Well, you got the goods. Is it actually good? It might be evil. I don't know. This is HAUM we're talking about. All right, well, I will get this little fucker prepped while you go get us some caffeine.
Wait, you want me to get you 2 coffee?
No, he's a robot. I want you to get us caffeine. He'll take a decaf. Hey dude, where you at? We could use a hand at the hackerspace. These HAUM toys are 2.0 for a reason.
A San Francisco group of hackers has exposed New Dawn's religious secrets. DEDSEC revealed footage of New Dawn's temple area and demonstrated that the so-called ancient artifacts were simply fakes of what New Dawn claimed were ancient tablets. Members of the hacker group managed to infiltrate the highly guarded compound and capture the secretive organization's methods of control over members, including movie star Jimmy Siska. New Dawn declined our requests for an interview.
You wanna throw down, bitch? You think you're special, motherfucker? Think again. Dumbass! What a fucking shit sandwich you are. Douchebag, you should be in a fucking asylum.
Sweet.
Yes, sir.
The best I can, man.
Okay, you did a good job.
I'm
We'll
not
figure it out.
saying you're blaming me. I'm just saying that component.
No, it doesn't matter. You're asking me to reprogram it from the beginning.
Stop.
Nice! Oh, you got it. Good job.
No more bulls. These are like liquid cocaine. You think that's a good idea for Josh? Nope. Never happened.
Here we go. Yeah!
I want to say everybody here to motherfucking DEDSEC.
that we are the baddest motherfucking hacking, coding, stealing. Well, we don't tell the cops I said that shit. But cheers to us, DEDSEC.
All right, dude. Next step is to find a smart home and break into its server.
How's the display unit at their head complex looking?
Let's see. Security's lax. Should be safe to test for 0 day.
Should be? Thanks for the optimism.
So,
Take it easy.
Marcus, the followers just keep on coming.
That's gonna get a reaction from Blume. I can't believe people let them grab so much power. All that sci-fi shit we read as kids. Big Brother, thought control, pre-crime. It's all here now, isn't it? Thanks to Blume and their CTOS. Those authors saw it coming decades ago, but nobody listened. Everybody's too sold on pleasant corporate platitudes and flawless branding to realize the whole damn thing's a societal Trojan.
It doesn't help that CTOS actually does what they say it does either. We're opposing a system that helps people on the surface, but exploits them behind the scenes. Makes it easy to paint us as the bad guys.
Question for you. How much access does DEDSEC have to CTOS?
In other cities, when it was still CTOS 1.0, we had a lot. Sucks because we were too careless. Missed our window to do something big. In 2.0, we're the first group to go up against it, so we're still playing catch-up. They were expecting us this time.
The thought of DEDSEC written on a whiteboard in some Blume office makes me all squishy inside.
We keep it up, next time maybe they'll use the red marker.
Hey guys, the 0 day worked. I'm in.
Awesome work, Marcus. Take a look around inside the house. HAUM stores all their user data locally as a part of their security guarantee. If you can access the footage of people checking out the house, that'll be enough to sound the alarm.
Got it.
Nothing to report.
Sitar, I've heard you talk about your niece's live stream before. Dance Boo 01, right?
Her name's Cindy, and I can't stand that friggin' stream. She broadcasts from her room nearly 24/7. I keep telling her her shit's not secure.
People are talking about her on the street. She's becoming a celebrity.
Any priests or sweaty van owners? If somebody hacked her cam and found out where she lives,
I can't even. We should teach her a lesson.
What do you have in mind?
Interrupt her feed. Prove her...
With the grace. Touch. Feel. Open. And use every object or item as you so wish. This is your experience. Your journey. And when the time comes to make your decision, remember, it's not a house unless it's a home.
Location on a 1033. Advice conditions. Everything is in order.
Let's see where you're hiding then. Spread out, find him!
Verifying target. Let's
Get some...
Control, be advised that a possible target or targets have been reported near your location. Perimeter.
Please exit immediately.
Hey guys, the server was a bust.
What do you mean? You had access?
It's just a relay point. The data's being stored off-site.
No. That's not how this hardware works. If they'd installed something different,
Josh? You still there?
Looks like he's speed reading a series of intercompany memos. We'll get back to you on the how. You trace up the why.
On it.
Guys, I'm drawing close to the data funnel. Gonna find somewhere to jack in. Okay, here we go. Wow. HAUM's got streams coming in from all over. I don't think this is just 2.0 we're looking at.
You're right. There's way too much here for the limited number of devices that are already live.
I'm gonna dive into their system, see where all this juicy information is winding up.
Keep us posted.
I don't really care. Fine. Yes.
Sector sweep complete. Everything is in order.
What the hell? Oh, no. No way.
What is happening?
You're under. Everybody, alert! We have an intruder!
Be advised, we have reports of previously identified target near your location. Over. Everything is in order. All clear.
I know you can hear me. I need some help here.
You catch that?
Don't you ever
Neutralizing the suspect.
Control, we have a possible target in your area.
Send us a couple more cars.
Just
Okay, opening the floodgates. Now.
Holy! Gus.
Marcus, what did you do?
What do you mean? I gave you guys access.
Yeah, and alerted HAUM's private security at the same time. They gotta have an auxiliary system monitoring their connections. Just hole up and wait it out. We'll siphon everything as fast as we can.
Okay, hurry.
Want me to market a doll that spies on kids? Are you fucking kidding me? This reads like a checklist of how to get your company sued. Always on? Ugh, lovely. Because it never sleeps isn't creepy at all for a stuffed animal. Captured moments online.
Perimeter breach.
He's armed!
Squad, we have alerts of a hostile in your area.
Officer down! Suspect hit him! Squad, we've got gunfire here.
Squad to all units.
we need backup
Air unit
right
is
now.
fueled and inbound. Hold tight.
Suspect is in sight. We'll back up ground units. We'll block him off. Looks like moving to acquire line of sight. We're going to head him off.
Police, stop your vehicle now!
Notify all ground units. Suspect is off our scope. Squad, we've lost the suspect. We'll start searching.
Still searching. Anyone have a visual?
We found the suspect's car. Looks like he bailed.
Somebody check out the alleys.
Oh man.
What?
Not cool. Way not cool.
Satara, what's he seeing?
HAUM's packaging users together into different streams and selling access to other companies. Mostly health insurance, looks like.
So what?
So you order pizza too often, your premiums skyrocket.
And HAUM gets a kickback.
Wow, that's nasty.
That's just scratching the surface. We'll run through it on our end and pick out juicy details for the smear vid.
What's that guy doing? Why does he have a toilet brush up his ass?
Hey, spoilers! Spoilers!